Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save news in a Google Save or collection on your iPhone. So you want to ensure that you have Google installed on your iPhone, and you can get that from the Play Store real quick, and you can get that from the App Store. And you want to install Google and sign in. Right now, once you open up Google, you can find whatever. So let's say I like this Barcelona news right here. I can go ahead and I can save this, right? So you want to go ahead and look at the bottom of these news, and as you can see, you can scroll through a bunch of news, and at the bottom you have two options. You have one for share and you have save. So you click on this one here and you'll be able to save this, and as you can see, it is saved, but I can go ahead and I can add it into a collection. It will pop up right at the bottom. Tap on it, and from here you can go ahead and you can click and create a collection. So you can click a new and you can give it a name. So I can call this, for example, Barca. Then click on done. And this news will be stored within the collection. You may be wondering, how can I find my collection afterwards? It's pretty easy. In the upper right of your Google account, click on it, and you will find the option save and collection. Click on that, and here you'll be able to find your saves in your collection. And here you can see I have Basa there, and that's it. So that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.